Your system, your risk management, your concepts doesn't change.
We moved a pretty good amount considering the fact that it's a bank holiday, considering the fact that the banks are closed. It's a great day today. The sun is hitting. It's amazing. To hit this 1 hour too. Hit the 1 hour and the daily gap at 9:30. I just got her some Tom Ford perfume. This one smells good. I only paid like $360 for all of these.
I can trade on any broker. I can learn any platform. It may just take time to get good at the platform. Right now, I have a $1,400 account. I'm trying to really flip it, but I'm telling you, you can do a whole lot with $1,400.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today it is Monday. It is Veterans Day. It's the first day of the week, and it's also about to be 9:30. It is about to be 9:30. I'm about to be live with VIP, but today's not going to be a regular trading day. If I see a trade, I might take it, but for the most part, I'm not looking to force nothing today. I'm going to show you the chart because I've already looked at US30 and everything. We moved a pretty good amount considering the fact that it's a bank holiday, considering the fact that the banks are closed. We had a lot more volume than I thought we would on US30, but we're at all-time highs. That's the elections. There's a lot of reason, more than likely, why there's bullishness. Nvidia was added to the Dow. So with that being said, we're gonna have a great day. We're gonna have a productive day. My girlfriend doesn't have work today, so after we're done with the trading session, we're likely gonna start going on with our day. I already got the video uploaded for the day. I got some clips made. I did some push-ups. I took a shower, and I'm just ready to get value with the team. And I also rearranged my setup a little bit. You'll see in a second, but nonetheless, let's stop the yapping. Let's start this beautiful day. But also look at this view. It's a great day today. The sun is hitting. Sun is out. It's amazing. I love it. But nonetheless, I'm gonna close this because it's time to get to work. It is approximately 9:28, so we gotta get up over here, start getting busy. But this is what I did to my setup. I made it so now basically when I'm on the call with VIP and everything, my camera will be facing this way, as you guys have seen a little bit, but let's get to work. NAS is over here falling. It ran the previous day's high. I had a false break move of the London and previous day's high, and that should start dying off. And then NAS had a retracement to the daily gap at that previous day's high and started flying. It was a smooth day. I just wasn't here at the time of price right when it traded into it. It traded into the daily gap. Did it hit this 1 hour too? Hit the 1 hour and the daily gap at 9:30. Them trending days, man. Them trending days be hitting. Just you either miss it or just gotta wait for it. There's only so much you could do on days like this. All right, I just got off the call with VIP. I didn't take no trades. As I told you guys, it is a bank holiday, and I really don't have no willingness to try to force any trades on a bank holiday like today. It's Veterans Day. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna get the rest of the day started. I got everything done behind me when it comes to the video got uploaded, when it comes to VIP for the day, and it's only 10:30, so as I told you guys, my girlfriend's off today, so today is going to be one of those days. I'm going out. We're probably going to get food, probably go to some stores. She's feeling a little bit better probably with her sickness, so we're just going to enjoy the weather, because look at all back there, bro. It's a sunny day. You got to enjoy. That's the whole point of me being in Florida. I moved to Florida because I like the heat. And speaking of the heat, I got to walk these dogs, so I'm about to go out there right now. And we're about to be on another adventure. I told y'all she off, so off to the races we go. Where do you want to go? I was taking the mall. Mall? Or do you have anywhere specific?
They have few stock.
At the mall?
Yeah.
Guess we could go to Midtown and then Brandon after. All right, well, to Brandon we go. All right, but yeah.
Smell it.
It smells good, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It's a body oil and it has sparkles in it. But
I just got her some Tom Ford perfume.
Don't show my nails. Oh.
Got some Tom Ford perfume. I also got a few more here. I got 3 colognes. These are the last colognes I'm gonna be getting for a while just because I was able to get everything for a good sale. But we'll start off with one of the cheaper ones. We got Phantom Perfume. Look at this. It's a little robot. And this is like a good, walk around cologne. It's just nothing too crazy. It's just like a everyday cologne. It's good to have everyday colognes. All my colognes is not like a everyday type of vibe. And especially like the ones that I got right here, like this one, this Dolce & Gabbana one. This one smells good. This one's like a go out type of vibe. You got shorts on, it's sunny out, you trying to get some food. It's like summer vibes. And I got it for a discount because I got it as a set. And this is like it's like a travel one. Nice and small. This by itself is already a great amount right here. I could have this, just keep it in the car or something. I could use that as a air freshener if I want to be real bougie. But that's one Dolce & Gabbana. That is one Parfum. This one I got from the same thing that I've been getting. Like, I've gotten like 5 of these so far. I've been telling y'all, if you didn't get it by now, should have took advantage. But then lastly, I got another Dolce & Gabbana one. This one smells good. This one, when I smelled it, I immediately thought of like my grandpa. Like, that's exactly what I thought about. Because it smells like something he would wear, and that's kind of why I like it. But it's a Dolce & Gabbana also. So I went from having no Dolce & Gabbana colognes right now to 2. And this one's pretty big. Yeah, we got this cologne. This cologne's good. I ain't gonna lie though. I only paid like $3.60 for all of these.
Yeah.
It's a lot. And like, that's why I just said I don't need to buy no colognes for a long time. Sephora sales, man. Got them discounts. I had no colognes before the sale. Like, I literally ran out of every cologne I had. Like, every cologne I had is the ones that are empty right now. This is the one thing that I had left from Bath and Body Works. That's what I had left.
That's not a car spray.
This is a car spray.
It's not really, but.
Nah, it
You
is.
just sprayed my fucking bag.
It is a car spray. I spray it when I wash the car. But now we got to get some food. I got to get some gas in the car too, so everyone got to eat. But yeah, on to the next.
All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the little colognes. We got the nice little collection and everything. But right now I want to talk to you guys about what the title of the video is, the name and everything. I'm not sure what I'm going to title it. I'm definitely going to name it something to get you to click on this video because I got some news. I've been talking about this for a while now, for a couple weeks, maybe even a month at this point, maybe even 2 months at this point. But Hanko Trade is going to be coming out with an app, and it's finally out. Now, it's a little different than what I thought it was going to be. I personally thought that they were going to have their own Hanko app, but it's not necessarily like that. So the app that they use right now, they use ActTrader. They use ActTrader, the app. And then from ActTrader, the app, as you can see right here, you would go into it and all you would do is log into your Hanko. So everything with my Hanko, when it comes to my credentials and everything, it all stayed the same. All I did was I just logged into here, and you can see we have like a little, so like this is their platform right here. This is the $1,000 account that I have from you guys. And then you can see like Buzz, you got like news events in here. It's like a smooth app. You got the markets over here. So you can see at US 30, I can go straight into US 30, try to buy or sell. I like this personally because I never used Hanko X as a chart like app. I always used it just to take my trade because that's just my broker. I may use other prop firms, and we're going to talk a little bit more on that also in a little bit. But I use all these different things. But when it comes to how I trade, I like to take the trades on something, and I like to watch it on TradingView. That's why I like Top Step, because I'm able to take my trades from my funded account on TradingView. But when it comes to my broker, I'm using Hanko Trade. And now that they made it so I have an app, it's a little bit easier than using the website browser. It's not efficient. I way rather more have an app that I can have on my phone. It's way better in my opinion. I don't got to rely on the internet all the time. I can go off my data. I don't got to always load it out, log back in because of the internet. It's very annoying. But now that it's an app, it just makes it very seamless. But when it comes to my actual trading system and concept, that's not going to trade. But a lot of the times, the main thing that always trades in the trading industry is going to be platforms. It's going to be like what you're using, what you're taking the trades on, your prop firm, your broker. But at the end of the day, I'll tell you guys this one thing. Your system, your risk management, your concepts doesn't change. How you view the market doesn't change. How you get in and out of trades doesn't change. The only thing that may change is the platform you're taking the trades on, how much you're risking per trade, the broker you're using, the prop firm you're using. That's the only thing that's necessarily ever going to change. Now, I've been through multiple prop firms, multiple brokers throughout the 4.5 years that I've been trading. It happens. Sometimes things get shut down that you wouldn't even realize. And it's crazy because it happens a lot in this industry. Look at things like FTX. Look at all these different things. It's just one of those things. I can't really do much about it. All I can do is control what I do, control what I trade, control where I go, and keep my everything else the same. Because as long as I got my system, I got my concepts, I got my risk management, and I got myself under control, I can go trade on anything. I could trade any prop firm. I could trade on any broker. I could learn any platform. It may just take time to get good at the platform, but it's all possible. I've done it already. I went from Forex to futures. I've done that. I went from trading Forex to just trading indexes. I've gone from only trading live accounts to trading funded accounts. I went from only trading funded accounts to trading both. I've made all these different changes in my trading but it's necessary. You have to go through a lot of these things to understand how you're going to develop as a trader. You don't know what you're capable of until you're in the situations. And that's just what it comes down to. But that's the news when it comes to Hanko X. Right now, I have a $1,400 account. It's a $1,000 account. I'm trying to really flip it, in my opinion. I'm not using that account to consistently grow it. No. $1,400 isn't enough to consistently try to make 100,000. I'm trying to flip this 1 into 10, trying to flip that 10 into 20, flip that 20 into 40, 40 to 80, 80 to 160. And then we can get over 100. I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. I don't know if I'm going to blow the account from too many losses, because at the end of the day, a small account like that, if I'm risking a lot per trade, all it is a couple trades. That's all you got to think about it. I may have $1,400 in that account, but if I'm risking $500 in a trade, that's only less than 3 trades. You get what I'm saying? If I'm risking 750, that's 2 trades. If I'm risking 100, that's 14. That's what you got to understand. You got to break the account into a certain way to where you understand it, but it all comes down to what is your win rate? How often do you win? How often do you have your setups? And then that's going to determine, maybe I should give myself 10 trades. Maybe I should give myself 7 trades. Maybe if I should give myself 4. Me personally, I know if I give myself around 4 to 5 trades, I'm at least going to win 2 to 3 of them. And as long as I got a proper risk management plan and I got a good risk reward, I'll make money on it. I know myself. You got to know yourself from having journals, from having data, and that's a way of me having these YouTube videos. This is a way of documentation that I can go back and see everything I'm doing, because I show you guys all my trade results. Nextly, we're going to be talking about prop firms, because I've used a lot of different prop firms in my past. I came into the trading industry around the time when prop firms were just getting introduced, around the FTMO era. Bro, I've spent so much money on FTMO. FTMO was the first prop firm I ever knew about, and it was also the biggest one at the time. So with that being said, I was spending so much money that I didn't need to be spending with them. I always recommend people, don't pay for a challenge unless you think you're ready. Don't pay for a challenge unless you actually have the confidence in yourself. Because I promise you, it's just the equivalent as the market. If you can't win in the market, you're not going to win in that prop firm account. You're going to lose money regardless, if it's in a live account or a prop firm account. Regardless, it's going to hurt. Regardless, the money's going to be gone. Regardless, you had to spend your time to make that money. So you're just giving time away. And it's not smart to do that. In the beginning, get the experience, get the knowledge, actually demo trade, get practice with what you need to do, practice with your risk management, practice emotional control, practice seeing your setup and executing on that exact setup. You get what I'm saying? And then take the challenge, and then do all these things. Practice for the test before you take the test. Don't just hop straight in the test, because you're going to lose. Imagine if you failing your test at school led you to have to go down a grade. And if you kept failing, you had to keep going down a grade. I bet you would study, because you wouldn't want to fall back. You got to do the same thing with trading. It's going to be the same exact thing. But I say that to say, I'm going to be trying out a lot of different prop firms going into the next, I say, 6 to 12 months. I want to start getting into it towards the end of this year, going into 2025. So if I can kind of get an idea on what type of prop firms I'm liking, because I want to try a couple of different ones. I want to see what they're hitting for. I got a couple ones that I'm going to try to get some discount codes. Since I'm an influencer now, it's a little weird, but people will actually, if I'm trading their stuff, I'm going to be giving them publicity in a sense. So I might be able to leverage that in a way that if I say I'm going to be promoting maybe their prop firm from trading it, I might be able to get a discount for you guys when it comes to challenges, because if they make money from me promoting it for free, I need to help you guys too, so you'll be able to maybe get some challenges for free. But I'm in the works with a couple different people trying to see how that is, but nothing in the works, nothing solid, nothing is guaranteed just yet. But that's what I'm working on. I'm going to try to get it for you, but that's something that I'm just kind of introducing as right now. I still got my Hanko Trade account. I still got my Top Step account. But when it comes to new prop firms, some are going to be coming sooner. I'm trying to really take advantage of other people's money, because now that I have a good amount of money coming in, I don't really stress the fact that I could buy different challenges. My whole thing is just going to be trying to trade them all at once. Am I going to get a copy trader? How is that going to work? Because I know some of them are on futures, some of them are on like trade locker. It's going to be weird, but at the end of the day, it's going to be problems that I like solving problems. And if I can solve the problem for me, I can solve it for you. If I could figure out how to get all these different merged accounts and how to leverage all these different accounts and have live accounts and being able to figure out a balance in between, I'm going to let you guys know, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing every single day. But that's coming very, very soon. But as of right now, when it comes to what I'm going to be doing this week, I'm going to be continuing to trade my Hanko account. I'm going to try to continue to flip that account. That's kind of my main priority this week. The funded account, I don't really care to trade it this week. Last week, I had an okay week. The week before that, I had a great week. but I haven't been trading the Hanko account as much in the last month. So I'm gonna try to get back on that because, like I said, I got that $1,400 account that I have on here, and I'm really gonna see what I could do with it. Like, just you can see, it's 1,400. It's nothing crazy. Like, I'm not a billionaire, but I'm telling you, you can do a whole lot with 1,400. Think of it like this: I have 1,400 in the account, but if I'm risking $250, $300 per trade, that'll give me, I say, let me just do quick math. 1,400 divided by 250, that'll give me about 5.6 trades, 6 trades. And I know, like I said, if I can give myself at least 4 to 5 trades, I know I can at least win 2 to 3. You know what I mean? If I give myself 6, 7 trades, I can at least win 3 to 4. That's just off of my percentages. That's off of my odds. That's off of how often my setups happen, how often I'm able to catch trades off of my journal. Okay? So I know that for myself. I'm not going to go in there risking $500 a trade because I can lose 2 trades in a row. I could lose 2 trades in a day, and I'm not willing to lose my entire account just because I wanted to make more money in one day. No, I'm okay with making $600 in a day from one trade. What are you? $600 a day? That it goes. People don't realize how much that goes. $600 a day all month. So let's just say 20 trading days. That's $12,000. And let's just say you only did that half the month. That's $6,000. Let's say you only did that 25% out of the month. You see where I'm going with this? Yeah, you don't need to be making $5,000 a day. I don't even make $5,000 a day. I don't make $5,000 a day, and I live in the penthouse. Come on. I'm being real with you guys. In reality, if you wanted to pay for my all bills and all expenses, let's just say all my bills and expenses is going to be maybe $5,000 a month. If you wanted to pay for that $5,000 a month, all you got to do is be making $250 a day for those 20 days. You do realize that, right? $250. Yes, that's consecutive, so you probably would want to be making $500 a day, averaging 10 days out of the month, out of the 20. But you get the idea, bro. The money is there to be made. You just got to continue with the process. Start small, build up. Build that capital, build the skill sets, build yourself, and then all of it is going to come together. I can promise you that. But this is going to be a short video. I just wanted to give you guys an update on my trading because we're going to have a great week. I didn't trade yesterday because it was Veterans Day, so we're just going to have I didn't trade today because it was Veterans Day, but guess what? Tuesday, we're getting to work. Tuesday, we're going to see what we can do. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. You want to learn how to trade, the free trading concepts, the free trading course, where you learn everything that I do on a daily basis when it comes to the trading charts and my systems and everything trading, everything in the description. If you want to join VIP so you can get access to all my trades that I take live, get access to the community that we're live with 7 days a week with money, mindset, and trading sessions, and also get access to the 55 hours of content that's you get access to immediately, join VIP. But with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.